At the heart of our planet's icy fields lies a world of mystery and wonder. Beneath the thick layers of ice and snow, remarkable secrets await discovery. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey to uncover the top 10 strangest discoveries in ice. As we peel away the ice sheets, we uncover the remains of the past and clues to our planet's future. Join us as we delve into this chilling exploration, where every revelation is more astonishing than the last. Prepare to be amazed by what the ice has preserved for us. Let's begin with number 10, Yuka the mammoth. In 2010, researchers found this striking specimen of a woolly mammoth in Syberia. Dated to be more than 39,000 years old, what makes Yuka even more interesting is that it has the best preserved mammoth brain in history. Researchers were astonished to find soft tissues and even remnants of reddish fur. This discovery has opened new avenues in paleoneurology, permitting scientists to study their structure and function as none could before. Sliding into ninth place, Lake Vostok, an extraordinary subglacial lake immediately underneath the 4-kilometer-thick Antarctic ice sheet. Observed in the 1990s with a combination of seismic and radar investigations, it covers about 15,690 square kilometers and holds about 1,084 kilometers of water. What mysteries lie within its depths, waiting for someone to reveal it? Explored for thousands of years, Lake Vostok has been an object of interest for scientists because of the opportunity to find microbial life that lives in isolation from other ecosystems on Earth. In 2012, Russian researchers drilled into the lake and found bacterial DNA that is new to science. But wait, there's more! Stay tuned for our top 8 discoveries that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the icy world beneath our feet. At the number 8, the box of jewels. 1 year ago, a group of researchers found a stash of valuable stones deposited in the thick ice of the planet's Earth. It elicited much joy among treasure hunters and eminent historians alike. So when the team learned of this, they were going to locate one of the biggest treasures on Earth. But how did these jewels end up in such a remote place? Was it from a shipwreck? A lost expedition? More questions still linger as researchers try to decipher more of the artifacts. The implications are vast. This could revolutionize how we understand trade patterns during historic periods. Moving on to number 7, Allen Hills 8E8401, a meteorite that fell in Antarctica more than 13,000 years ago. It is composed of carbonaceous materials that may hold the key to the emergence of life on planet Earth. This meteorite was found in 1984 and has undergone a lot of investigations more than any other meteorite. Some scientists believe it may even contain fossil traces of non-Earth life forms. As we progress with every analysis, we come one step closer to answering one of the greatest questions species poses. Are we alone in this vast universe? Amazingly, these structures may allow us to study how life developed not only on our planet, but with other planets in case they are out there. Sliding to visit number 6, C-53, Skytrooper Dakota. It vanished during World War II and finally became encased in ice. Researchers discovered this military aircraft in Greenland. It is not only an aircraft with all its interior intact, but everything in it includes articles used by the crew and passengers on board. The C-53 disappeared during a supply flight in 1942, and the wreckage offers important information about aircraft used during the war and the difficulty that soldiers experienced in their operations. It would be remiss of us not to relate some tales of gallantry and loss to this elegant symbol of the violence and turbulence of the Second World War. So now let's turn to number 5, the strange phenomenon called Antarctic ice holes. It looks like large pits in the ice and has been a concern and source of interest to many researchers for quite some time. According to some theories, they originate from warm ocean currents or even geothermal activity beneath the ice sheet. These holes are crucial investigations for researchers to learn about climate change or its impact on the polar environment. Let's look at number 4, ancient viruses. One of the most terrifying discoveries has been the identification of ancient viruses locked away in the ice for thousands of years. researchers have successfully revived several strains from permafrost, raising concerns about the potential impact on our modern-day ecosystems and human health. In 2015, researchers revived a virus called Pithovirus ciborium from Siberian permafrost that had frozen for over 30,000 years. This is a timely warning as to how climate change could potentially release pathogenic viruses that have lain dormant for thousands of years. At number 3, we have Glacier Girl, a P-38 Lightning airplane that went down during World War II and remained encased in Greenland's ice for over 50 years. Courtesy of some passionate aviation devotees who organized an incredible recovery effort and restoration to the flight of this warbird. Founded in 1992 by a group looking for crashed planes from the Second World War, Glacier Girl is a testament to the men who flew these machines and the machines themselves. Sliding into number 2, Otzi the Iceman. Otzi, a naturally mummified man from circa 3300 BCE, found in the Alps in 1991. Due to glacial conditions, his body was so well preserved that we got a first-ever glimpse into the life of prehistoric humans. His discovery resulted in revolutionary revelations about early human civilization. Researchers can trace his clothes, diet, tools of the time, and even his last meal. Pollen was discovered on his body, suggesting he had traveled through different kinds of landscapes. Finally, at number 1, HMS Investigator. We will visit the wreckage of the HMS Investigator, a British Royal Navy ship that was lost during an Arctic voyage, to find the crew of Sir John Franklin's ships in the mid-1800s. We'll dive into this shipwreck, located deep beneath layers of Arctic ice near King William Island. The Investigator was deployed in some early efforts to explore the Arctic region and eventually got caught in ice and sank. If you enjoyed this journey into some exceptionally weird finds lurking below the surface of many layers of ice, like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Which did you find most surprising to discover? Share your comments below.